Maureen Kanana brings away an idea that seeks to implement hydroponics farming technology, a new soilless farming technology in Kenya, and more so a unique idea because it's cheap and can be done in a controlled environment with no other similar method but different from other farming methods done in Kenya, such as the open farming system. With this, we have trained, graduated, and certified and 9 youths as trainers of trainees on hydroponics and agribusiness, and we are using them to train their own community members. And by this, we are improving livelihood status, malnutrition status, climate change, free food security through production of food at community setup, and introduction of demo farm at different community setup. Members of the community recommended for more trainings at community level, and by this I came up with a training manual that will enhance more advanced training compared to basic training that were conducted in the last phase, and introduction of 3 more demo farms at different community setup that will, 1, teach and increase knowledge on hydroponics, that's improving knowledge on agriculture, showing people how it looks like as an aspect of technology, reaching out and supporting an approximate of 10,000 people, and 4, spreading hydroponics through demo farms to produce and support food security. Through feedback given by community members, the 99 youths trained and certified as COTOs will take part in implementation of project by reaching out to 500 approximate number of community members through training on hydroponics, who will further cascade the knowledge to a multiple number of community members with the support of demo farms. The success of these will be measured through participant lists and will also lead to production of 1 ton of crops for own community and more use and selling to neighboring communities. The source for these ideas are divided into 3 elements of designing and pitching of demo farms, preparing youth volunteers on hydroponics, and preparing community members on hydroponics. I require approximately 20,000 CHF on designing and pitching of demo farms, approximately 10,000 CHF on preparing youth volunteers on hydroponics, and 7,000 CHF on preparing community members on hydroponics. Partners will play a bigger role on this, where county government and Ministry of Agriculture will take part in supporting, designing, and pitching of demo farms and preparing community members on hydroponics elements. Miramar International College will support the 3 elements. Both youth and community members support in preparing both youth volunteers and community elements. And FCDC will support community mobilization to practice hydroponics. The next stage for this, for my innovation, is to keep it alive by considering the financing model element and business model element for it to be sustainable. Limitless fund are my financial model element that will create other initiatives as an income generating activities to further support project sustainability. On business model element, I will consider 3 main factors that are selling crops produced to community members around demo farms at a reduced 20% price of the market price. Train and create a sort of certification method for community members and other organizations at a fee. And 3, setting up demo farms for a pay, as well as selling seeds for hydroponics. My idea integrates with the ongoing intervention of Kenya Electoral Society through its strategic plan 2021-2025, where communities are able to anticipate, prepare, and respond and quickly recover from crisis. Communities-led healthy lives and have opportunity to achieve social, economic, and psychosocial well-being. And 3, youth-led positive change in their communities. By this, communities are able to participate in creating a new model of livelihood and recover from the ongoing drought and endemics due to climate changes per the ongoing KRCS interventions, where KRCS contributes to Kenya efforts toward attainment of sustainable development goals, specifically SDG number 1, poverty; 2, zero hunger; 3, good health and well-being; 4, gender equality; 6, clean water and sanitation; 11, sustainable cities and communities; 13, climate action; 16, peace and justice; and SDG number 17, partnership. And furthermore, empowering communities is our best bet in achieving sustainable development. Lack of funds is the potential challenge that I foresee, but I will adapt by engaging community members and stakeholders and partners on community engagement and feedback mechanisms that will further enable or guide me on project improvement, because my national society can't have enough funds to support this initiative. Thank you.